Other guys and girls, we are now getting down one by one. Be careful, be careful. Sige po. Santa Lucia, here I am. Oops. Finally guys and girls, we're safe. After 22 minutes or 23, we are here now. And as you can see, some of my co-evacuees from Junction, we are safe and sound. Got in here in Santa Lucia area. Thanks be to God. Bye for now.